So, Volkswagen, clean, Aaron, motor wash, done. Exhaust sounds very questionably quiet, but good. We are on our way to sell the Volkswagen.
Back brake kind of looks like it got a little dirty.
Got a little dirty. Definitely not as clean as it was yesterday. All right, trunk, sir. Gifts for Aaron.
Holy shit, a low profile jack.
That's yours.
Are you planning on buying lower cars so you need to use this jack?
Well, my Porsche needs this.
Yes, my car needs
I
this.
figure your car needs it. The other one for sure needs it.
No other jack might work. Yeah, I definitely bought the red jack for the van and boat situation.
And then it comes with this fun thing.
Yeah, I saw it's got a little erection there.
A little erection. So it can be low, it can be high, it could be what you want.
Be a mix of what you want.
Now help me get this bitch out of the trunk because it's really heavy and I gotta go sell this thing. Yay, Aaron and his new toy.
We'll do an unboxing video, I guess, whenever you're back from making some money.
And hopefully we make some money. Let's go get this car sold.
Yeah.
All right.
Good luck.
Later. Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. We are a new channel. It does help us. It helps us so much. So, Aaron's new toy.
So do we get to use the erection on this thing? Or
yeah, I think we should use the erection on this one because the truck's higher.
Which is good because I thought my afternoon was going to be trying to vice grip
those wheels off, and that would have been just wonderful.
Let's see your new toy, sir.
1 year commercial warranty.
It's pretty cool that it's aluminum. I didn't realize that it was aluminium. Part of it.
It's aluminum and steel according to the box, but well, yeah, that's some pretty beef aluminum edges there. 5/16 inch aluminum.
That's for sure just laser cut aluminum.
It is for sure that anodized blue. I like there's instructions on how to lower and raise the jack. That's good because I would have never figured that out.
Who knows? This might be your first jack.
I haven't jacked very much before.
You don't jack that much, do you?
Not that much. I'm old now.
I mean, you've been jacking
my whole life. Well, at least since I've been old enough to jack.
To drive, obviously. Yes.
I mean, well, I was jacking before I was driving, to be honest, because I'm a pretty handy guy.
Handsy?
People that too. People would come to me and ask me
People would come to you and ask you to jack them?
And help them jack.
And you'd help them jack. You'd jack them
I would.
And wow, that's pretty
that's beefy.
robust,
Look at
actually.
That handle.
This is all by the way, not aluminum.
Really? Yo, that handle is gangster. Is that a...
Uses a
no way! That's
half
so
drive?
cool.
So I guess this uses a half drive is what it is. No, it can't.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, so why is this for... Oh!
Yes.
So when you hit your low profile car, it hits foam. That's kind of intelligent, I guess. I thought that was just for my hand comfort.
Fancy people things. Now we just need more low profile cars. Other than this ridiculousness.
Okay, here's a rubber.
What do we got
Here we have the extension erection. So this is what now?
Looks like a kick plate or
It kind of looks like a kick plate or a cover plate.
Mm-hmm.
Is there one of those like quick rapid? No.
Let's take this thing. Oh my god, it's got cool handles on it.
Look at this stainless hardware.
What the
Dude. Stainless hardware from China?
Who knows if it's actually from China?
Oh, it says made in China. So
it did? Cool. Yeah, it is a half-inch drive in there.
A reverse half-inch with a universal joint. Look at the U-joint exposed.
Yeah, this thing is like...
This is pretty cool, actually. It's definitely the only jack I've ever had that has this exact design. You want to loosen this bolt, though?
I'll loosen it.
Oh, yeah. Take out my bolt.
I took your bolt out. You push the rod in.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Now it's settled in the square.
It's fully in its hole. This is by far one of the coolest jacks I've ever seen. The handles, the aluminum, even the
stainless
anodizing,
hardware.
the stainless hardware. This is awesome. It's a low profile one and has a spot to put your high one. And that goes on. And that's your pad. How cool is this? And then this, for sure, goes right here.
But this guy.
Yeah.
I'm not in the hole there.
You're not in the hole?
Oh, I just found the hole.
You found the hole?
Oh,
Yeah, wrong angle.
I messed up the screwing. Yeah, just leave it. Leave it. I can find the hole and manipulate it. There we go. See? Sometimes.
So you manipulate it to find the hole?
A little bit of manipulation, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then this
tell
one.
It it's pretty, even though you didn't mean it?
I mean, I meant every word of it. What are you talking about? You think I missed that? It came from the factory kind of tight.
They always come from the factory tight. It's time that loosens them. And body count.
Just look at the stainless hardware, stainless casters.
I love this too.
Yeah, that is pretty interesting.
This is one of the most optioned out decks I've seen personally.
Even comes with a stopper.
Which we will lose.
Which we will absolutely lose. The question is, do I try to save it? This is a pretty reasonably good piece of Chinesium right here. I'm actually really surprised. Like, all the hardware is all stainless.
It wasn't cheap, but it also wasn't expensive.
Oh, these are cast? These are forged. They're bolted on, forged wheel brackets.
I saw it, and I saw first off, just the low profile of it, and I saw that it came with this, and I was like, you know what? Done. I need to get that for Aaron. And then I bought it, and after I bought it, I looked up what they cost. And I was like...
You got a decent deal at least?
I feel so. Okay. But it was still really expensive. But I'm very, very impressed with the quality because I thought it was expensive. It's still going to be shitty.
Super impressed with the quality. Aluminum steel service jack. I like how they double down on that. Replace jack oil. Here's the jack off components. The jack components. All the parts are listed with part numbers, availabilities. Well, I don't know what availabilities, but part numbers available. This is like a serious piece, dude.
Fun stuff.
Pretty cool.
Well, I'm happy you're happy.
It is pretty cool. I did have a jack, but this is for sure a superior product to that red one.
I didn't know it was this cool, to be honest. Now looking at it, it's really... And the double piston?
Oh, shit. I didn't even see that. I think one of those is the speed piston is what happens.
Exactly.
Right?
That's how it does the speed, and that's really cool. You can grab that side.
Or we can just put it on the ground
like adults. Look at that. Oh my god, no
do you think it'll lift me or what?
Are you 3 tons, bro?
Maybe.
And then...
Watch how smooth it drops. Ooh. Dude, we can put cars down smoothly now. Because that red jack is not what you would consider finesse.
This thing comes down hard. Ooh, super hard. That red jack makes the cars fall just... Ooh. Definitely not safe.